It's that time again to feed your family for under £12 with M&S food. Time for a touch of Italy. This is my smoked tomato and salami linguine, a delicious speedy pasta dish that the whole family will love. I'm going to be using this salami that's been made by a 5th generation charcuterie family in Milan. And then in we go with our linguine. All M&S pasta is air dried in the Italian Alps. If you want to add more fibre to this dish, go for a whole wheat alternative. Oh yeah, all the fennel.
Oh yeah.
There we go, this is how you feed your family for under £12. My smoky tomato and salami linguine. Time to get stuck into that. Bellissimo. Oh, that is so good.